Hi friends, let us discuss one problem based on single phase off wave rectifier. So this problem is like this. A single phase 230 volt 2 kilowatt heater is connected across single phase 230 volt 50 hertz supply through an SCR. So for firing angle 60 degree, calculate the power absorbed in heating element. So here off wave rectifier has been used. Okay, so in which way we can deal with it? So it is connected through only one SCR, so it should give you the suggestion such that you have to use only one SCR. That means it is an off wave rectifier. Even though he hasn't mentioned that it is an off wave rectifier, it should be understood that if you are connected through only one SCR, it should be an off wave rectifier. So let us see this part. Calculate the power absorbed in heating element. So generally the heating element is resistor only. So how to find that? So I need to find simply the power absorbed in the resistor. That's all. Absorbed in the resistor. So this will be like ohmic law. So it is I square R, or I can call it as I square R, or why shall we go ahead with current? Let us fix it with voltage only. V square R. But we have to understand that what is V square? V square means this is output RMS square divided by R. Because it is very simple. The problem is like this. One SCR is here and it is connected to heater. This is the heater and this is the supply. 230 volt supply, two single phase 230 volt 50 hertz supply is this one, and this resistor is, we have to find this resistor. Of course something has been given. This is 230 volt and 2 kilowatt resistor has been given. So now my job is to find out VO RMS and R. So how to find VO RMS? So it is VO RMS is equal to Vm by 2 pi, Vm by 2 root pi into pi minus alpha plus sine 2 alpha by 2 whole power 1 by 2. And here alpha has been given as 60 degree. So here we have to see one point carefully. Whenever you are using alpha with pi, you have to convert this alpha into pi only. Okay, as we know that pi means 180 degree. Okay, so how much pi will be there for 60 degree? So it's very simple. Pi divided by question mark is equal to 180 by 60. So it is 3, which implies the question mark may be equal to pi by 3. So that pi by 3 you have to substitute here. If I substitute the same thing, Vm by 2 root pi into pi minus pi by 3 plus sine 2 alpha. Alpha is 60 degree, so I can write it as 120 degree divided by 2. This always depends upon how you set your calculator. If you set your calculator into degree mode, you have to write 120 degree. If you have set your calculator as radian mode, you can substitute pi by 3 in place of alpha. Okay, that's up to you in which way your calculator was set. So finally what will happen, and which will be equal to Vm by 2 root pi into 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi, so it's 2 pi by 3, but here pi means 3.14. You have to substitute pi value 3.14 only plus sine 120. So sine 120 value, sine 120 is root 3 by 2, so it will be root 3 by 2, again 2 will be there, root 3 by 4, so it will be whole power 1 by 2, and the answer will come around 145.87. 145.87. Then how to find resistance R? So the resistance R has been given here as wattage. So the wattage is, again, wattage will be, again, let me go ahead with power formula only. Yes, so power, maximum power, it is maximum power, so it is equal to V square by R. So which implies resistance R will be equal to V square by P. So this is the rating, or we need to see the maximum rating. Okay, this is the maximum rating of the heater. So you can use these things, voltage and power, for calculating resistance. But whatever he has asked the power, this power is different. We are giving some limited voltage of it. Okay, so or some limited supply, as we are using an SCR with 60 degrees, so it's a limited one. So for this limit, how much power is absorbed? So resistance R is here, complete one we have to see. That means these values we have to substitute. 230 into 230, so divided by power is 2000. So it will come around 226.45 ohm. So Vrms is 145.87 volt. Therefore, power absorbed is equal to V naught RMS square divided by R. So which come around 8804.46 watt. Okay, simply square the V naught RMS and divided by resistance 26.45. So you will get 804.46 watt. So this is the simple way of getting the answer. Okay, it's very simple. Whenever heater problem has come into picture, you have to identify that it is a resistive load. Okay, it's a simple resistive load. Whenever current passing through the resistive load, it will convert into heat energy. So that heat energy is absorbed, or that power has been absorbed in I square R form. Okay, I square R or V square by R, these two things are easy. So once you know that one, you can easily find out. And in this you have to know one more thing, as only one SCR is used, so it is half wave rectifier. Okay, so these two things you have to ascertain, so that everything will be easy only. So if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment window, and please like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.